This is the DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo Edition. Let's go ahead and unbox it and let's see what's inside. This is wrapped in plastic, so let's go ahead and remove it first. This should do it. Okay, and tear down this one in here, nice. And then let's open. All right, this is what's in the box. First is, of course, the camera. Let's put it aside, and it says here the accessories. Let's put it here, and the silica gel. All right, let's put it here. Let's go ahead and open the accessories first. I think this is the cage and the accessories. We have the charging cable and of course the thumb screw. These are the papers and of course a sticker. Manual. Let's put it here. Let's go ahead and open the accessories first. This should be the cage here. I think these are the mounting accessories. The magnetic. Let's open this. And this should be the mounting sticker where you can mount it on a helmet or anywhere you want it to stick it to. And of course, this is the quick release mount. This should be for here. Oh, it's surprising. It has a very strong magnet. Yeah. See that one here? I'm almost having a hard time like putting it on. Or, okay, so you cannot like put it in the wrong way. It has to be the right way, just like so. All right, got that part right there. And this should be the battery. All right, look how small that is. And this is, I think, a spare. So this is the lens hood. And this is something that I am not sure. Now let's open the camera. Here's the recording, and there's this power button right here. This is the USB-C slot, and of course this part right here is for the battery and the micro SD card. So the DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo comes with the battery itself, the mounting sticker, the camera, the cage, the magnetic quick release. We have the cable, and of course the thumb screw, the lens hood, and of course this blue thing right here, which I don't know what's that for. So let's go ahead and put the battery in. Let's see if it has some juice in it. And let's insert a micro SD card as well. I have this 64 gig micro SD card, and this should be inserted just like so. Push it inward and you should feel a kind of click in there. Now to remove it, all you gotta do is push it inward one more time and that should get removed. And let's go ahead and now put it back in. Just push it with your fingernail and then that should be good. Close it down and that should be good right there. Now let's turn it on for the very first time. All right, let's set it in English. All right, let's skip that one for now. Okay. All right, let's try to set up to 25p, 25 frames, 25 frame per minute. And of course, let's go 4K. Yes. We have here the standard D-Warp. We have ultra wide, and of course, that's what you wanted to use, the ultra wide. Let's hit confirm, and that's it for our unboxing. Now, please make sure to follow and like this video. I'm going to use this camera here for probably a week intensively for me to be able to basically show you or give you a good review about this camera. Let's try to record, and of course, as you can see right there, it's actually recording like both. It is actually showing you like both what's in front and of course at the back of the screen. That's it for now, you guys. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to follow and subscribe to my channel for my full review on this camera.